Hello, and welcome. This is your girl, Sister Muniz. So it is always a pleasure that we meet to this channel. And remember, please do not pass my video and not subscribe, not like it, not share it. Please support my girls because your girl is getting old and I take time to share my idea with you. The only thing you got to do for me, please like it and share it. Send me your idea. As you can see, the decoration before, my husband vacuumed the floor. He's the one who boosted me that day to make this video because he was helping me cleaning, and I decided to share it with you. You see the way it was before, it was pink, and I changed it. So it's been a long time since I have that decoration. I think maybe in February. So now it's summer. It's been a long time since I have everything ready to make the video. Then I didn't have time to make the video, and today this is the day. Okay, this is the day that the Lord has made. I take time, I share my idea with you. This is my living area, and this is my entryway. The entryway is pink, gray, and white. So let me know, what do you think, family? What you think I should remove in my entryway? Your entryway should welcome everyone. You should have peace, and anyone who enters should have peace and love and fresh. So yes, and the living room, it's yellow, green, and gray. So let me know, family, what do you like and what do you think I should remove to my living room area? It's cream and gray. So let me know, and look at my beautiful place. That's what the pillow said. And together we are happy here. So yes, family, we are happy here in this area because the grace of God is with us. Okay, that's the only way you can have peace. If the grace of God, the love of God is with you. If you didn't have Jesus in your life, please, I encourage you every day, and that's what my channel is mostly about, encourage someone to have peace with Jesus. Because if I'm happy, and I want everyone to be happy too, but the only way you can be happy, it is with Jesus. Without Jesus, you cannot be happy. Family, let me know, what do you think? And I'm going to leave you in. Let me know what should I remove, what should I change, and what do you like and what you don't like. This is my dining room area. So in this area, it's yellow. So, and I am blessed. I have to put something, because if you really blessed, I am really blessed. When I say blessed, it's not like I don't have no problem. It's like when you have Jesus, you are blessed, because Jesus have answer to all your problem, all your drama. Anything you cannot handle, Jesus will handle it. So that's what I said, I am blessed. Okay, and I want you to be blessed too. So please share your idea with me. And if you dealing with something heavy that you want somebody who will help you to pray, just inbox me, just comment below, let me know. So I love to help. Okay, I love to help you, and this is the reason why that you need to share my video. Share it, because you might be know how to set up your area and somebody else might be don't know. So I can share your idea with you. I can share my idea with you, and you can share your idea with me by let me know what do you like and what you don't like. Okay, family? And yes, so I'm gonna leave, and I'm gonna let you watch everything. And the place look more beautiful in person than in the video, okay? Because the video I recorded at night. So that's what I said. If you come in person, but it's not everybody who can come in. So virtually you can see it and let me know. Bye family, Jesus love you.